Have you ever wondered what it would feel like to walk through a place where history, nature, and culture meet at every corner? A state where waterfalls thunder in the mountains, forgotten towns rest quietly beneath lakes, and lighthouses keep watch over windswept shores. That place is Georgia. Not just the Georgia you may know from guidebooks, but the one that reveals itself only if you look closer. It is the Georgia whispered about by locals, passed down in family stories, and etched in landscapes that have seen centuries unfold. Today, we're setting off on a journey through this remarkable state, but this won't be the polished tourist brochure version. Instead, we'll travel through secret corners, uncover buried histories, and step into landscapes that have shaped communities for generations. So grab your sense of curiosity. Because Georgia has more to share than most travelers ever imagine. Georgia is the largest state east of the Mississippi River. So expansive it's divided into 159 counties, more than any other in its region. At first glance, that might sound like a statistic, but think about what it means. 159 different communities, each with its own traditions, quirks, and hidden gems. To travel Georgia is to experience not one story, but hundreds stitched together into a single, sprawling tapestry. One of those threads begins with the University of Georgia, founded in 1785. This wasn't just the state's pride, it was the very first public university in the United States. At its heart was a radical idea for the time. Education shouldn't belong only to the wealthy elite. It should be accessible to ordinary citizens. That belief planted seeds that would change the nation, and it still echoes through the red-bricked halls of Athens today. But history here doesn't just live in buildings. It pulses through landscapes, through mountains, forests, rivers, and towns that have risen, fallen, and sometimes vanished entirely. These natural archives hold secrets waiting to be discovered by those willing to explore beyond the obvious paths. Travel north, and you'll find yourself in the Appalachian foothills. The air cools, the roads wind, and the horizon folds into layers of green ridges. Here lies a treasure known to hikers and nature lovers, Amicalola Falls, tumbling 729 feet, the tallest cascading waterfall east of the Mississippi River. The roar of the falls is more than Soan. It's a reminder of timelessness. Water has been carving its way down this rock face long before Georgia was a state, long before Europeans arrived, long before roads and counties and capitals. Locals will tell you that each season brings its own transformation. Fiery reds and golds in autumn, misty veils in winter, wildflowers in spring, and cool shaded paths in summer. The lodge nearby offers more than a place to sleep. With its sweeping views of valleys and mountains, it gives travelers the sense of waking up inside a postcard. At dusk, when the sun sinks behind the Appalachian hills, you realize why generations return here, for quiet, for beauty, and for the reminder that the world still has untouched corners. Drive south through rolling hills, and you'll discover another hidden story. In 2014, a modest orchard was planted here, nothing unusual at first. But little by little, the orchard expanded, transforming into a vineyard. By 2021, it had become a full winery, not just producing bottles of wine, but welcoming visitors to taste, linger, and connect. The courtyard at the heart of the vineyard feels almost like an invitation to slow down. A stone fireplace flickers in cool seasons. In summer, laughter and clinking glasses fill the air. Unlike the vast commercial wineries you may picture from California or Europe, this one carries the intimacy of Georgia's countryside. Each detail, from the placement of the vines to the rustic touches in the tasting room, tells a story of care, patience, and the belief that even small beginnings can grow into lasting traditions. This quiet rise of viticulture in Georgia speaks to a deeper connection with the land. It's about cultivating not just grapes, but a sense of place and community. The wines produced here carry the unique character of Georgia's soil and climate, offering a taste of its hidden agricultural heritage. Not all Georgia landscapes are as peaceful. Some hold untold stories beneath their surfaces. Consider one of the state's great man-made lakes. Today, it looks serene, a place for boating, fishing, and family picnics. But beneath its shimmering waters lie entire towns, roads, churches, and cemeteries. When the dam was built decades ago, families were forced to leave their land. Some were relocated with little compensation, their homes swallowed by the rising reservoir. What was once farmland and community became memory, and then silence beneath the water. Visitors today skim across the surface without realizing they're passing over hidden foundations, buried lives, and forgotten histories. And yet, perhaps that's the haunting beauty of this place. It is both recreation and remembrance, a reminder that progress often comes at a cost. The lake serves as a silent monument to what was lost, a mysterious depth beneath the everyday. Head into Georgia's cities, and you'll discover green havens that began with very different purposes. In the late 19th century, land once used for fairs and expositions was transformed into an urban park. At first, it was a bold experiment. Could a city balance booming industry with the need for public refuge? The answer still echoes in stone stairways, open lawns, and shaded groves designed by visionary landscape architects. Today, this park isn't just a space for joggers or picnics. It's a living history, a place where city residents gather for concerts, festivals, quiet walks, and even the rare snowy sledding adventure. It's proof that thoughtful design can endure for centuries, blending beauty with community need. This urban oasis provides a vital connection to nature within the bustling city, a testament to foresight and the enduring human desire for green spaces. Travel east to the coast, and the landscape shifts again. Here, barrier islands guard the shoreline, each with its own rhythms. On one of them stands a lighthouse rebuilt from older foundations. Its bright lens now cuts through fog and storms, guiding ships just as it has for generations. Nearby, a marine science center offers aquariums filled with native species, teaching visitors about the fragile ecosystems of Georgia's coast. And just offshore, a nature preserve waits. Accessible only by small boat or kayak, it offers sandy campsites, quiet lagoons, and a rare sense of isolation. Those who venture here often describe it as stepping into another world. No cars, no city noise, only wind, waves, and starlight. The island isn't just a tourist stop. It's a reminder that Georgia's wildness, though sometimes hidden, is never far away. These coastal treasures offer a glimpse into an untamed side of the state, where nature reigns supreme and ancient rhythms dictate life. Follow the waterways inland and you reach one of the most biologically diverse basins in the country. Spanning 3 states, this watershed supports a staggering variety of plants and animals. Conservationists compare its richness to the tropical rainforests of South America, and it's easy to see why. Here, rivers begin as cool mountain streams, flow through forests and farms, and finally widen into estuaries at the coast. Along the way, they sustain fisheries, tourism, drinking water, and countless ecosystems. Yet, like all treasures, they are vulnerable, threatened by overuse, pollution, and changing climates. Protecting them isn't just about preserving nature. It's about safeguarding the very lifeblood of communities downstream. This hidden ecological marvel underscores Georgia's profound natural wealth. Its intricate network of waterways is a testament to the state's diverse geography and its critical role in regional biodiversity. Georgia's story is also political. After the Civil War, the state relocated its capital to a growing urban center. Competitions for the new Capitol building struggled until out-of-state architects finally won with a design that combined grandeur with practicality. Today, its golden dome shines as a symbol of resilience and identity. But progress in Georgia has always come with challenges. Heavy industries, especially paper production, draw staggering amounts of water from underground aquifers. While these industries fuel local economies, they also create risks. Overuse can pull salt water upward, threatening freshwater supplies for entire communities. It's a delicate balance. The need for jobs and growth against the need for clean water and long-term security. And in Georgia, that balance is still being negotiated every day. This ongoing struggle reveals a deeper layer of the state's narrative, where economic ambition meets environmental responsibility. What ties all of these places together? Waterfalls, vineyards, lakes, parks, islands, rivers, capitals, is that they are not just locations. They are stories. Some are stories of triumph, others of loss. Some are whispered in the wind through pine trees, others etched in marble domes or reflected in quiet waters. Georgia is more than a state. It's a living archive of indigenous traditions along riverbanks, of enslaved people who built cities under unimaginable hardship, of immigrants and dreamers who planted vineyards or built sawmills or restored fading downtowns. Every county, every town, every trail adds another layer. And for travelers, the real wonder of Georgia isn't just seeing these places. It's understanding the human experiences that shaped them and the way they continue to shape lives today. These hidden narratives are what truly make Georgia a place of profound discovery. So, the next time you think of Georgia, think beyond peaches and southern charm. Think of mountains roaring with waterfalls, lakes that hide forgotten towns, islands where lighthouses still guide the night, and parks where past and present mingle beneath ancient trees. This is Georgia. Vast, diverse, complex, and endlessly surprising. A place where history lingers, where nature astounds, and where every hidden corner holds a story waiting to be told. With that said, thanks, and until the next adventure.